Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, baby, we are on day 3 of the Advent Calendar series. I can't believe these days are just going. I remember when I did the calendar, last year, I was so surprised at how fast it went. So I'm going to try to savor these days because I don't want this to go too fast. I'm the kind of person I refuse. There's no peeking, there's no none of the things. I really want it to be authentic and enjoy the joy of Advent. I know some people like to just unbox everything at once, but I think a part of the magic of Advent is that you get a little gift every day, and then on that 25th day, you get to look at your haul, And even if somebody gifted you polish or something, you wouldn't get as large of a haul as this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Day 3, we got a mini bottle. These are limited edition baddies. This is Starlight. Starlight, star bright. Madam Glam is feasting tonight. A feast for our eyes. Stone effective polish. I'm sorry, I'm just losing it, y'all. This is the Stone Effect polish. And when they did their House of Nourish, there was a color, I believe it was Glimpses of Light, that I was not able to get. And it was like the most milky Stone Effect polish they had. Oh my days. This is the holiday edition. This has completely different glitter, y'all. The flakes and fragments in this polish is completely different than the House of Nourish. And there's these little pieces of glitter that almost look like mermaid flakes. You know me, I like them call them raven flakes. Oh my days, I can't get over how stunning this limited edition polish is. So this is gonna be thinner opacity. So I'm gonna go in with 2 thin coats, y'all. But I'm screaming. Oh my gosh. They could not have found a better name for this either. Starlight. Oh my heavens. And I'm really loving this. These tiny bottles, you'd think they'd cramp up your hands. They fit perfectly. And I just can't get over how stinking adorable they are. Now, I do apologize for any click-clacking you hear throughout this video. You know me. I'm I talk with my hands. I don't know if that's because I'm a drama geek or what, but I definitely talk with my hands. And I am wearing a gorgeous, long, beautiful set that I did with the House of Giving. As I do this voiceover, I put me on some press-ons, and your girl's feeling brand new. But I can't get over, so this is the color matte, and it is so darling. Both matte and glossy. It is beautiful. But matte, you get that stone effect. So because there is the Velvet Mafia and the Glossy Mafia, you know I gotta get that no wipe top coat from day 2 and go over that matte and just let it shine, baby. And with the holidays in mind, Madam Glam is trying to give you all the gifts. So you can feel free to use our codes in the description box below for discounts so you can save yourself some coins. But there's also all of these extended Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. Even though that was weeks ago, there is still sales going rampant on the Madam Glam page. So you gotta run on over to madamglam.com because there is insane savings. There's even first customers that have not never done a purchase. They're getting free gels. Over a certain purchase, they were even giving away lamps. There is so much magic going on because I know Madam Glam wants to go into 2024 with all the new magic. So they're making sure that, any of those past launches, anything before the year closes out, that you can grab it and save yourself some coin. Even if you want to do a little cheeky Christmas gift, because you still got time right now to grab some Madam Glam goodies, including this calendar. But soon, it will all be sold out, and it also won't be delivered before Christmas. So this is your cutoff day between today and tomorrow if you want to gift any glam. So I took out their brand new This is like their award-winning formula, y'all. Their brand new gold chrome, and I can't get over how luxurious it is. It is so smooth. You don't have to worry about any wrinkling. I just thought with this milky, gorgeous stone effect with the hints of gold, a French tip would be perfect on her. So we had to do a demo, y'all. I did also want to take a moment to thank you, y'all. We hit a very large milestone on this channel. We hit 1K, y'all, and this would not be possible without my gorgeous nail family, my nail sisters, my nail brothers, my nail peoples. You know, you guys are just everything. And throughout the years, there has been so much that has happened, both positive and life things. And just through all the ups and downs, you guys have always been here, have always been so encouraging, and I just shudder to think where I'd be without you guys. So I just want to say a huge thank you, and I hope that you're enjoying this advent calendar series. A demo a day keeps the doctor away, so we're out here trying to do all the magic with this box. I will see you for tomorrow's day 4, and thank you for making this holiday season so very special. Make it a glam one. Sending so much love and light your way. I pray this video found you so well. Thank you for watching, and see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah.